About 3-4 years ago to improve the accuracy and help with actually servicing. One of the things that we design into guns now is serviceability. It's not just about looking after the shooter so he can service himself, it's looking after the guy who lives in Peru, who hasn't done the training course and needs to be able to keep these things running with a kitchen knife and a screwdriver. So we tend to design the guns to be easier for servicing, and as we go through the development of the guns, first of all you get the gun working, then you get the gun shooting too. Basically as good a sound as you can get, and then you design in ease of serviceability and maintenance. We started to redevelop a new range of rifles, and one of the ones that we did was one called Wolverine. Wolverine started off as a project rifle to replace the Air Wolf. And the Wolverine was a diminutive of that wolf, so lightweight wolf, Wolverine. It wasn't named after the Marvel or the DC, I can't remember, cartoon figure or even the anime. But we adopted the dog head logo on it just in case. The Wolverine used a Harper design indexing system that proved to be a really good idea, but very, very difficult to develop. Instead of using a rocker or a switch, we have a pin flying up by compressed air that knocks the magazine off its catch, and when you open the bolt it allows it to move round, close the bolt, and you can open the bolt on a Wolverine as many times. If I just wind that magazine up, I can do that all day long, the magazine will not rotate. But when I fire it, then the magazine will rotate. And that's because the indexing pin won't come up until I fire the rifle. And that allows us to do anti-double load. The other thing we did on Wolverine is we put a trigger block in when the bolt's open. Again, we're making these rifles for people who essentially have, in most cases, have never had any training or any kind of introduction to firearms. In America, they might have fired a proper rifle and have some idea, in which case they will think that when the bolt's open, the gun is safe. You all know on an air rifle, it's a very long way away from safe. In fact, it's probably more dangerous because it's cocked. So we decided to build in some safety aspects and have a bolt-open safety. And this is something that we've taken through the range to try and make the guns a little bit safer. With the bolts down, with it up there, it won't fire. With it down there, it will fire. So these are safety aspects built into a mechanical rifle. That's Wolverine, yeah? The Red Wolf. And this rifle here uses the very latest electronics that I showed you. Side levers, because side levers are fashionable. Again, the lever open deactivates the gun. On this rifle we can do it electronically. So we open the side lever and the gun is switched off. We have a safety catch on the back, which also has an electronic switch. So if I fire that rifle now, opening the side, it won't fire again until I open the side lever, fire again, close the side lever, the rifle will fire again. And again I have a switch off there to stop the rifle from firing. So mimicking what a mechanical rifle would do in electronics. This is a pulsar, does exactly the same thing. I have a safety catch here. This one's got a silencer on it, which you can tell is very, very quiet. Again, the side lever open, safety won't fire. Pulsar also has a laser built into it. Why do we put a laser in? Because we can. With electronic rifles we can do pretty much what we want, so we put a laser into this rifle here. This laser's been switched off, and I'll switch it on again to show you how that works as well. A mechanical version of the Red Wolf using a regulated version. Regulated is now becoming very popular again, so we did a Wolverine R, a regulated version of the Wolverine. And this rifle is new for last year. It hasn't had a lot of coverage. It's a beautiful rifle. Again, side lever, again, anti-double load, bolt open safety. It's got all the fun of the fun. This one's got the very latest 0 dB silencer on by Daystate, so if you want to see one of those, this has got them on here.